Raise your expectations with ARI-hetra's wireless mobile column lifts. Hydraulic-free lifting built for safety, power, and total control. Made in the USA and powered by low-friction ball screw technology, these lifts deliver unmatched precision, durability, and efficiency without a drop of hydraulic fluid. Their compact, cord-free, and easy-to-move design bring power and freedom to your shop floor. Advanced controls allow technicians to synchronize up to 8 columns at once for seamless lifting of even the heaviest rigs. From reliable performance to minimal maintenance, trust ARI-hetra's wireless mobile column lifts to provide the safety, control, and uptime heavy-duty shops demand. No hydraulics, no hassle, all performance. Explore more at ARI-hetra.com.